What's going on YouTube? Pocket Monster Bullies here. Kisses, aka Nova, just had 7 puppies drop last night. We got 6 boys, 1 female. All tries. We got blue piebald try. We got blue try. We got black try. Black piebald try. That's about it. Hit me up, 785-375-7972. If you're interested in one of these pups, all puppies are available. Got another litter dropping. This is more of a standard classic. Mozzy's the father, but Mozzy is a extreme pocket. Nova is more of a classic standard look. Very clean structure. Mozzy gonna give the puppies that girth, that bone, that mass, them big old heads, like he always do. But yeah, hit me up. Was born last night. Not even 24 hours from being born yet. So act fast, hit me up. PocketMonsterBullies.com. Instagram. Stay updated. Like and subscribe. Thank you.